So in the past few minutes, we also learned that San Francisco has once again run out of sandbags. We know many of you were in line as early as 8 a.m. this morning. The city's hoping to bring in some trucks sometime tonight. Our Choi is live in the Mission, where flooding has been a huge problem. Kenny.
Reed, for sure. We started the afternoon taking a look at and talking to some of those people in the area that were trying to fill those sandbags for their homes and businesses. We're on 14th and Harrison. Last time the storm rolled through over the weekend, this place was flooded. The storm drains right now, as you can take a look right behind me. Not much rain going through, not much water going through. That's because we have had a little bit of a break from those heavy rains and the wind. Earlier today, we saw a lot of store owners protecting their businesses with those sandbags outside and inside of their stores, trying to do as much as they can ahead of this storm. They know what happened last time. Their businesses were impacted. The water came into their stores. There were also some taco trucks in the area. El Tonyense, right in front of the Best Buy store here on 14th Street. One of their taco trucks went down. Today they brought in a generator. They've had it for the last couple of days, but they say that they've been impacted and their businesses have been hit pretty hard over the last couple of days.
Because we are open for 2 days.
You have to close for 2 days?
Close for 2 days.
Because of the flooding?
Yeah, because all the driving, the truck is what like, the water is what like, all the wheels. Yeah.
So believe it or not, these taco trucks are open right now. I checked a couple minutes ago. They're still in there selling some tacos. They say that they're going to be open as long as they can. They had to shut down, as you heard from that lady just a short while ago. They had to shut down for a couple days after the storms came through over the weekend. They have that generator going. They say that if the same thing happens today, like it did over the weekend, they're going to have to pick up that generator and close things up pretty quickly. So the next time you're in this area, if you can, try to support these people, these taco trucks out here, the El Tonyense, right in front of Best Buy. So far, we've seen a lot of crews coming through, clearing those storm drains. So all looking good for now, but keep your fingers crossed.